Tips and tricks to affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable venture for anyone willing to dedicate the time that is required to make a success of it. If you take the advice that is here, you are sure to find that they are going to make it a bit easier to accomplish what you are hoping. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. When joining an affiliate marketing program, be aware of the time commitment required to see a significant return. Affiliate marketing is not a passive income source. You need to be out there actively promoting the product or service of the parent company if you want people to follow your links and buy the product. You should build a dedicated web page for each product you are promoting through an affiliate marketing program. This page should give your visitors all the information you have available on the advertised product or service. While this need not be the sole reference you have to your affiliate, a dedicated page can tip the balance for visitors who are considering purchasing your affiliate's product. Look for vendors offering high commissions for their products. Digital items tend to have much higher commissions than physical. Your goal should be at least a 40 to 50% commission on items that are digital downloads. If you are working with physical products, check into competitors to see if the commission rate being offered is in line with similar products. If you have done your research and partnered into good affiliate marketing networks, you should take advantage of the marketing managers these networks employ. Your manager is an expert in affiliate marketing, and because you share profits with your partners, your manager has a vested interest in helping you make more sales. Make a work schedule for your online business. Have a certain number of hours per day and days per week that you spend on work that goes into your actual online business. Then, allow yourself some time in that schedule to just handle your affiliate programs. This way you can have time to handle everything and increase traffic and sales. Apply the tips and advice that is in this video to your affiliate marketing plan, and you are sure to find that your earnings will increase and your stress will decrease. Make the most out of your venture by making the investment of time in your affiliate marketing business a priority. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.